The DOJ is suing California, claiming the state is breaking federal civil rights by letting trans athletes compete in girls' high school sports.
Your reporter Brady Halb live with what this means for the state.
The lawsuit claims California is breaking the law when it comes to Title IX. Passed in 1972, the law prohibits sex-based discrimination in any educational programs that receive federal funding. And the lawsuit comes just 2 days after the state refused to change course.
Trump is trying to bully California like he's trying to bully other states.
The ongoing feud between California and the Trump administration is heating up again, this time with the Justice Department suing the state over its policy allowing transgender athletes to compete in girls' high school sports.
If California were to cave in and throw trans kids under the bus, which we're not going to do, but even if we did that, he would just come back tomorrow with a new demand.
The lawsuit targets a California law signed by former Governor Jerry Brown more than a decade ago, allowing transgender girls to compete in girls' sports. Federal officials argue that policy is detrimental to female athletes, claiming it costs them scholarships, trophies, and puts them at risk of injury.
It's common sense to say that males shouldn't be in female locker rooms and bathrooms and on female sports teams.
Sophia Laurie with the California Family Council believes protecting Title IX is a bipartisan issue, saying the lawsuit will likely play out in court, but is a step in the right direction in protecting female athletes.
It's really powerful for, I think, female athletes in California to see that there is a presidential administration, a federal administration that is actually going to crack down when they say they are. They're going to follow through with their threats and do what's right for females in our state.
On Monday, the State Department of Education formally rejected the proposed federal resolution demanding the state concede and apologize. Now, California could be at risk of losing out on billions of dollars in federal education funding.
And it's unfortunate that we have to engage in more litigation with this authoritarian regime. But if that's what it takes to protect Californians, that's what we'll do.
Now, we've reached out to CIF and the Department of Education, but they say that they cannot comment on pending litigation.